Today, I'm going to be going over a realistic way that you could make over $7,000 per month utilizing YouTube, Chat GPT, or any type of other content. And I'll go over why you can't depend on Chat GPT every time, but I'll give you some alternatives to Chat GPT that you can start utilizing for this actual method. And then you're going to be utilizing another tool, which is Murf. So I'm going to go over all those tools right now. The first thing that you're going to need to do is find an actual topic that you want to go into. It could be anything. It could be cooking. It could be AI tools. It could be video marketing. It could be make money online. It could be educational content, cars channel, techs and gadgets, lifestyle, fitness, whatever you want to get into. You can use this method for to start generating an income by utilizing AI tools. Okay. So, first of all, you want to figure out what niche you're going to go into. I'm going to go into a topic that I'm just coming up with, but you can go into any topic with this actual method. Okay. Now, first thing we need to do is go to the YouTube page. YouTube is free to do your actual research. Now, I've come up with a topic which is AI tools to make money. Okay, that's the topic that I'm going to go into to start with this actual strategy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a search for AI tools to make money. Okay. So when I do that, it's going to come up with different videos where people are actually talking about AI tools to make money, right? Okay, that's the first thing that you do. Whether you're into cooking or exercise or whatever you're into, that's the first thing you need to do. Now, right after you do that, you can kind of look over some of these videos, okay? All right. But what you're really interested in, you're going to go right over here to filters, okay? You're going to look for videos that came out, let's just say this week or this, you could go this week or this month. Okay. So I'm going to go this week and then I'm going to go back to the filter and I want to search for videos that are between 40 and 20 minutes. Okay. The reason why I want to search like that is because I want to find videos that are brand new and that are between 40 and 20 minutes because normally those style videos that are between 40 and 20 minutes are people that are actually explaining things in those videos. Okay, so what I'm going to do is pick a video in here about one of the topics that just looks interesting to me. Okay, so let me see here. Basically, you want to look for terms where they're talking about an actual tool with this whatever you're talking about. So I'm gonna go right here. Let's see here. Automated AI 200 for 2023. Okay. This AI bot or okay. This may be one that I need to look. So I'm gonna click on this, and I'm gonna show you
What
what
is
I'm
going on,
looking
guys?
for.
In today's video, I'm going to show you these.
Turn the sound off. Okay, because I want to see which keyword. Now I am using a tool which is called forget the name. It's TubeBuddy. Okay, but with TubeBuddy, and I'll put a link in the comments how to get the TubeBuddy. But you can see the tags that this actual person is using for their tags for this video. Okay. And look at how many views that this has had in the last 7 days. 10,000 views about this AI bot. Okay. So you see the keywords that this person is using, blah, 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 blah. Okay. You could either use this video or if he's trying to rank for actual AI to in the case of a let's say if he was talking about cooking, okay, it might be a website that the creator is using, that they're trying to rank for a brand new tool that he's using or he or she is using with cooking. Okay, but the point is that you're looking for some keywords that you feel like you want to start ranking for. Um, in there, well, first you need the tool buddy. Okay, okay, he's trying to rank for print on on print demand on demand, digital products, and AI images. That's what he's trying to rank for. Okay, all right. So, okay, I think I'm gonna go back to the other one that I was I think it was this one. Okay. All right. So once you get the keywords that you want to rank for, okay. All right. I'm gonna go here because it allows me to copy his tags to a file. Okay. Because and the reason why I'm taking his tags, even though I'm not gonna copy his video, but I'm going to create a video that's similar to what he's talking about. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is now in for the sake of time, I've actually went in here and used some AI tools to come up with a topic and ask AI how to create my basically create my the text for my video. Okay. And I wanted to show you this right now as I'm doing this video. Chat GPT is at capacity right now. So I can't use it for what I need it for as far as this strategy. So you need these paid tools because with the paid tools, you can use them at all times when you because you're gonna have to create a lot of videos in order to make this type of money with this actual strategy. And right now, Chat GPT is down. But this tool that I'm using right now, and I'll put a link to this tool in the in the comments on under this video. What I've done is I've went in and asked, even though this is a different video that I'm having it to create for me, or the text that I'm asking um, AI to ask me to create for me for my video. So what I've done is this tool, which is called Botowski. Okay, I've asked it write a script for my YouTube video. So basically, you're telling Botowski how to create me a script for my video to and then you're going to take that script to another tool and have it actually create the video for you. So this is what I asked Botowski. I said, how write a script for my YouTube video, how to make money via Etsy using Printful. That's supposed to be money. Make it selling catchy and interesting. This is the stuff, the type of stuff that you can ask AI to do, and it's going to create a script for your video. Also use relevant keywords. Word limit is 5,700. This is the type of instructions that you can provide to these tools. Okay. So after I did that, it created a script for me. Sure, I'll be happy. This is what it did once I asked it this question. It said, I'll be happy to help you write a script for a YouTube video, how to make money via Etsy, because it actually put it in there. Make money. Okay, here's the outline of the script. Introduce yourself and explain what the video is about. So it's basically showing you that you need to explain yourself and what the video is about in the first 30 seconds of the video. This is just writing all this out for you. So you go through these instructions, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So, and then you take this script over to a tool like Murf, which is Murf. Okay, and I'll provide a link to this tool as well. And what this is going to do, you put that text inside of this tool, and it's going to actually create an audio
Using
of
those
the
handmade
text
items.
part of what of the video that you're doing. So what you can do is the first part of the video is you talking. But the part where you're explaining what is, you can put that, let allow AI to actually explain that part, right? It is telling you it got the home part. This is how you create your actual video. Then these are the parts that you allow Murf to actually talk out for you. Etsy is one of the most popular. It's going to say that for you. Etsy is one of the most popular platforms out there. So you can click right here.
Etsy is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms out there. It has millions of visitors every month who are eager to buy unique handmade items like
Boom. So that's what Murf is going to do to you. This It creates a voice for you, and you just integrate that voice in your inside of your YouTube video. Okay, it makes your job a lot easier, and it saves you time to do that part of the video. So all you do is upload the script like that you got from Botowski to Murf, and then what you're going to do is allow it to generate that voice, okay? And use a little inspiration, because you can go in here and you can change the voice tone on different words. You can really utilize Murf to create a very uh, interesting video for you about whatever you're talking about. In this case, we're talking about an AI bot that earns $150 per day. Okay. So after you do that, after you've made this script, you upload it, and then you use the same keywords that you copied from the guy's video, and you have your video. Okay. There are people that are using this method right now. They're making between 8,000 to 50,000 just utilizing this strategy and uploading videos to YouTube to make money. Okay, if you think about it, if you made, let's say hypothetically, on each video, you made about $400 on. Now, it takes time for YouTube to recognize you and recognize your video. So it takes a little time to actually do it. But if you stay consistent with it, and let's say you start making $400 a day by utilizing these videos, whether you're sending the traffic to your website or a different websites, you're sending it to a different affiliate program, like uh, every tool that you have that I've showed you has an affiliate marketing program, just like I do. You can send people to those tools and make money like that. So let's say you're making $400 per video. If you make about 20 of those videos, that's $8,000 for you off of each video. So this is a very good, and it could take you an hour of your day just making these videos. And if you stay consistent with it, this could make a ton of money for you. If you have any questions about this method, make sure that you post a comment, the question in the comments below. And like I said, to get access to any of these tools, I am posting the links to the tools that you can use for this actual method. And also, you can respond to any of my messages that you get once you go to AIPaysDaily.com. You just sign up to my newsletter, and you can respond to any of my emails, and I'll respond back to any questions that you have for this actual method. Thank you, and have a fantastic and great day. Take care.